Something messing with my body. Hopefully find out here in a few minutes what it is. Trying to give you guys a good show. On behalf of PA Wildman. Something's definitely moving. Something's kind of carrying my bobber over there. Hopefully it'll heal itself. Something. This was the monster that was messing with my worm. That was the monster. And you guys know what kind of fish that is? Tell me below in the comments if you wouldn't mind. Not a trophy, but it's a fish. Tune you back in for another one.